What's up, Kuyals? We're just making our way to Florida now. We're leaving Boss's house. We've got a 21-hour-and-a-half drive ahead of us, but it's gonna be worth it. We're gonna get some tarpon and some fucking peacock bass. We're nuts.
We're going fishing, spending New Year's in Florida. It's cold in this country, so we're going fishing somewhere nice. So we do it.
No elbows up. Zero elbows
down.
up. Elbows down.
That's right.
All right, Kuyals. We made it down. We slept good last night. Boss is taking me to his first spot. He's gonna show me where he fished last time. He's caught some snook and peacock bass here. So let's see if we can't get on any. I think bait number one we're gonna go to is the Z-Man mullet shad.
Yes, that and using X-Wrap jerk bait for the peacock bass is like the best bait for them by far. It's even better than live bait for them, to be honest.
Yeah, I guess they just love that erratic action.
Yeah, because they're very aggressive.
Catch you when we get there. First little bass, first fish of the trip.
Come on, Ty. Come on! Peacock bass. First peacock bass of the trip, coolio. First peacock bass of the trip, coolio. First one, finally, man. Holy, it took forever. Ty! Our first peacock bass of the trip. There it is. Look at the colors on that fish. Orange on the bottom. This is a female because there's no bump on the head. I don't really want to step in this dirt, so I'm just going to give it a little toss here. And there it goes. Okay. Shit, maybe I do have to go in the dirt. And it's off. And my shoes are all muddy. Oh, slipped and fell.
Looks like the X-Wraps are doing well because it's a hotter day. My first peacock bass ever. Look at that little guy. Yeah. Nice.
Okay, so we pulled up to a spot with 3 ponds kind of next to each other, probably all connected through some type of pipe system or whatever. And I left my GoPro in the car, and I literally told Tyler, I said, I don't know what it is or why. Watch, I'm gonna leave the GoPro in the car and I'm gonna catch a fish, a nice fish. My first cast at the pond, I caught a 4-pound largemouth. So
Watch this. I'm gonna cast it right on top of the lily pad. Watch this.
or something just surfaced.
Move right now. Watch.
I see a fish right now. It's near the top of the water.
Oh yeah, on the other side.
No, it's like, look, right to the left of where I just cast it a little bit.
Yeah, that's a snakehead, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Let's go.
I'm gonna assume it's a bass. Oh, it's a snakehead.
Oh yeah, I told you.
Don't show ahead. Yo, it's big.
Oh, it's a nice one. He's rolling. Make sure he doesn't roll. He's tangled up in your shit.
It's okay. He doesn't have like any sharp points on him or nothing. Oh, now this is in his fucking.
Before you lose them.
No, good. Good, good.
Oh, we got the Ocho ahead.
Boston the snakehead.
The Ocho.
Turn this way. Your whole body. No, like go there. Turn this way. Yeah. Boston the snakehead.
Yeah. Got a peacock here. Oh. Oh yeah, buddy. Another one just moves right here too, dude. He's fat, this one. He's not as long. Oh, he's pretty good size.
Yeah.
Gorgeous fish, man. Very aggressive, man. I fucking love it.
Wait, don't throw him in there. Throw him in like over here so we don't spook the other one.
I'm gonna throw it in this corner here. Right here, look.
Nice, yo. Pull him out of there.
Nice, nice. Yeah. Bro, see how strong they are, man? It's crazy. At least it might dry. I don't know why it's not pulling. Yeah, this one's better. Oh yeah, Culiao. Oh yeah, Culiao.
See? Shiners are the way, bro.
Shiners of the wave. It's always the same spot too, where they're caught. This one's better, bro. This one's probably 2.5. This literally might be the same fish.
Actually?
I don't know. Think so? No, this one's different. He's got a bunch of scars on him. This one's bigger. Let's take a picture of this one. It's bigger. You saw how fucking how the size of this fish that fighter just put up? Big bubble where I am. See it?
Oh. Yeah, I'm on.
Nice, Ty.
Nice.
Nice.
No, this one's bigger. Look. Look how big this one is.
It looks like the last one I caught. If it has the same markings on the side, it's the same.
Let's go. First peacock. No, not first, but biggest peacock.
Yeah, it's good size, bro. I think that's literally the same as the last one I caught. It is the same as the last one I caught.
Yep.
Same fish. See these marks on the side?
First peacock. Nice one.
Got another fish right off here. Yeah, peacock. It's decent. We are fishing. I'm on, yeah.
On?
Yep.
Good one?
Not really. Bro, he's small. Look how hard he fights still. Doesn't matter. These things are crazy. He's small. Look, the big one's with him. Ty, the big one's with him.
Fast.
Look. Do you see how big he is? Bro, why did I get the small one?
Oh, I'm on the big one. I'm on the big one.
No, you're on a different fish.
I'm on the big one.
The big one's right here.
Let's go.
Nice, bro.
Oh, yo, let's go. This one's fighting. Lethargy.
That's peacock. Bro, the big one's right here. Look, you see him? Fuck, man. Why I get the small one? And double up, bro. The double up. The big one's right here.
I'm gonna hit it again. I'm gonna catch it.
This is the female for the big one. This one's barely hooked. Smaller one, man, not even a pound.
Another beauty peacock. Can you get a picture? Can you get a picture?
Quick, we're gonna get the big one.
You're on playback. Press the power button.
I got it.
Put a photo. I want to get like good colors of it. I'm on. Let's get this guy up. Oh, my drag. I gotta, my drag. Flip. Let's go. Nice one. Nice peacock. Just right in the middle. Nah, bro, this guy's hooked so good. This guy's hooked so good. I don't even know how he got like this. There we go. All right. This guy's got really nice colors on him. He fought hard.
Yeah, bro, I told you, they fight really hard for how small they are.
Flip. Little guy. Baby. Fought hard. Under the bridge here. Another little guy. I love fighting these fish. Bass flip. Told you.
It's not that big.
But they're still here. Look.
Yeah, yeah. They fucking fight like crazy, man.
Fight like crazy.
Is this even a peacock? It is.
It is. It's a small guy.
He's not that small. I'm surprised he's not pulling drag.
3 seconds. How long was it been for?
Oh, bro, he's big.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See?
Nice. Kuya fishing. Yo, this is I think the biggest one I caught today.
Really?
He's fat. He's chunky. Yeah, bro. I think it's the
No,
biggest.
I don't think he's the biggest one you caught.
You don't think it's the biggest one I caught today?
No. No way.
No, it's not. You're right.
No way.
He's got a big like
That's
head
not
and
even
mouth.
the biggest one that I caught today.
He's got a big head and mouth.
Cool. Do you want a picture?
Dude, look how dark he is.
Do you want a picture or do you want to just throw him back?
No, picture this guy. Barely hooked. Look.
You want?
Yeah, yeah. Barely hooked.
Go pull it.
The barb is getting
There
stuck
we go,
on.
bro. We're starting to get on him. That's it.
There.
Give me your phone. I'll just stay with your phone. Or my phone.
This one's eye is like really red. Cool.
Hold it towards the sun. Like turn your... No. Stay where you are. Just turn... No. Other way. Like come this way. Yes. That's it. You always got to be there with the proper lighting. Good.
Pro, see the orange underneath?
Ooh, yeah.
Bass flip. Bro, that guy was chunky, just not he was short.
I'm gonna catch that one.
Where?
Right there. Look right in front of you, bro. There's a gator on the floor. On the floor.
Oh, what the fuck? Out of the water.
Bro, I was about to walk over there too.
Yo, what?
Yo. There's a fucking gator right there. Okay. Okay, what'd you say? Time to catch it. What'd you say about that gator?
Yo, what the fuck?
What'd you say? Okay. First, I need something to fend it off just in case. I need a video of this.
Wait.
I'm sure there's like no bigger gators.
We're just gonna throw something in his direction. Throw a small branch in here.
Oh, there it goes.
That's crazy.
I'm off! No!
Skill issue.
Yeah.
Skill issue.
Yeah. No.
This guy's fighting pretty hard.
No. Is it big?
I don't think he's that big, but he's fighting well. That's decent, bro.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice. It's always in the top lip, all the time, every hook. Peacock. Orange underneath. Yeah, it's a good fish, man. We're on a peacock right now. Pretty decent, man. Under the bridge. Okay, floppity flop. There we go. Not bad. Yo.
Yeah, not bad.
You just destroyed his scales, but oh well.
Right now, I'm fly fishing with a minnow. Boss over there is hooking his minnow up. Uh-huh. Yeah. We caught fish here before. You're on? I'm on the fly rod. Let's go.
Wait, go underneath me. Oh, you good?
Yo, boss.
Oh, you got the shiners off the line. Go underneath me, look.
He's off the line. But yo, boss, I can't go underneath you, bro. I have to get him on the reel though. There we go. I got him on the reel.
You go past me. Let's go.
Oh, yo, look at this one. What is that? It's a peacock. Look. Yeah, peacock on the fly. I told you, Basta. I told you, on the fly, bro. On the fly. Mine's recording. Yeah? Oh yeah, peacock on the fly. Nice. That was sick. That was really sick. I told you I could do it. You're like, nah. It doesn't happen.
On a fly?
On the
It'll
fly?
happen. You need a live bait on the fly rod is different than the fly. You should know that.
Yeah, you're right. All right. Little peacock on the fly. Sweet. There he goes. Let's go. Let's go. Nice one. Oh, snapped right off. Yeah, he broke my line. The hook is still in his mouth.
Nice, bro.
Woo!
Just in front of here, no?
Literally just in front of here.
Good. It's calmer in here.
Here we go.
That's a good one.
Nice.
There's come in this pipe, bro. There's got to be another one. On the pipe, dude. They're always hooked in the same spot. It's actually crazy.
Nice, yeah.
It's not that big.
Huh?
It's not that big, but I won't complain.
Yeah, it's better than fucking hook. You said right in this pipe, eh?
In this pipe, yeah. All right, coolio. Fuck, these guys' mouths are so strong. It's actually crazy. It's got battle scars on them. They all have the same battle scars, I've noticed. All of them. Have you noticed it? This line on both sides of them.
It's because they're probably like from their mating or something.
He's trying right back in the pipe.
You just literally put your minnow in there. Mine's almost dead. This is a nice peacock.
Oh, there's another one on it.
This is a nice peacock.
Oh, there's another one on it.
Oh, this is a good one, yo. Let me just wash him.
He's good. This side's clean. Show this camera first.
Get from the light. Smaller guy.
Still, look at the fight, man.
Another one on the fly. Hold this for 1 sec.
Wanna go show the kids too?
Yeah, you want to see?
Il est beau, hein? Il a réussi à attraper le poisson. Yeah.
I'm putting this down.
Want to see?
Look. Oh, beautiful.
Cool, right?
What's the type of
Peacock.
Peacock
bass.
bass.
We could eat that, eh?
People eat them.
I
but we're
wouldn't
just
eat them.
Catching them for fun.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay, voilà. Regarde, Milan, il la relance. Regarde, Milan. Il la remet à l'eau.
Oh, this one's a largemouth, dude.
It's a large one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Other one. This one's different. See the different colors?
What's the type?
This one's just a largemouth bass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Il est beau, hein?
They have these ones in Canada too.
Yeah.
Not the other ones. These ones, yes.
What's that one?
This one's a largemouth bass.
A moth?
Largemouth bass.
Mouth bass.
It's eatable too?
It's the same as the other one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. These fish
Are
don't
they
have.
good?
They have no taste. They just taste like whatever you season
Okay.
them with. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
Regarde, regarde, il est où, le petit poisson? Regarde, tu veux un
What's
petit
up,
poisson?
Bruno?
Après ça, le plus gros, il mange le petit.
It came out from under the grass, bro. Bro, look at the thing, man.
We just smoked them.
They're so fucking aggressive.
Why do we go anywhere else? Bro, I caught
The closest place,
I caught the biggest one here.
literally the closest place we're staying.
Fuck you, boss.
Turn this way so you get the sun. There you go.
They're fucking strong, man.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Good.
This
Show 'em
camera.
down. Oh, nice.
Pulling drag, bro. Yeah, it is. Go back in the pipe. Go back in the pipe. It's gonna break me off. Yeah, yeah. It is bigger. Nice, bro. Yo, this is huge. Wow, that's big. Wow, that's big. Bro, wow, that's big.
That's the best one.
By far, yeah. Stop shaking. Get my fucking shirt all slime me. You're caught, guys. That's it. Too bad. I'm gonna guess 4, 5. I'm gonna guess close to 5. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah. Is it working?
Oh, it's in kilograms. That's not as big as I thought. It says 1.3 kilos. 1.27. 1.27 kilos.
Yeah.
Bring him in, I'll yank him up.
You grab him?
Yeah, yeah. Bring him in here and I'll yank him up.
Got him? Let's go, Kuyao! Big snakehead! Nice. Holy shit! Oh, he's huge! He's huge! Thanks for letting me use your chatterbait, bro.
Nice, bro. Yo, how was that fight? I told you.
They fight hard, bro.
You grab it like a pike and skill plate. Here.
Holy, bro.
Yo, that's a
Hold on,
big
bring him up
one,
here.
man.
Bring him up here, bring him up here. Ochoa head.
Nice, guy.
Look at that fucking snakehead, bro. Big guy.
Very big
Let me
fish.
get him in the light. This way.
That's perfect.
Look at the size of that bullseye snakehead. Look at his fucking tail.
Very big. This is the one we just saw. Bro, it's crazy how like back and forth and back and forth. There goes my shiner.
Bass flip him. Another nice little peacock.
Always in the top lip, bro. It's crazy.
Nice. Not so big. Just a mark fighter.
No, it's big, bro. It's good sized. Oh, look at that old show head.
Yo, take the chatterbait off quick. Took off?
Yep.
Oh, you got yours.
Oh, it's a bass. No, no, he stole it from the snakehead.
There's a bass?
Yeah.
Where?
He stole it from the snakehead.
Bro, bass and snakeheads.
Bro,
He's still here.
you saw that. He stole it. Fuck you. Fuck this guy, man. Bro, what the fuck? You saw the snakehead was swimming right to it.
I got you.
Oh, it's a good one.
Okay. Nice one.
Was that a peacock? It's a mega Mayan.
Oh my god.
What the
It's
fuck?
a Mayan.
Bro, these things are like, they're not supposed to get this big. This is like a bluegill.
Holy shit. Look at the size of them.
What the fuck?
Look at the size of that Mayan that Bossa just caught. Holy shit.
Yo, what the? Tyler Liberali. I barely have him hooked too. Cichlid. This is a mega Mayan.